Hello and welcome back to my channel Fabulous Ideas, and in this video I am going to be showing you some space saving ideas for your garden. So I have bought from Amazon an Ottoman for the garden, and it's in a nice it's like a nice black kind of basket looking design, but it's obviously made of plastic. They're saying that it is easy to put together, so I'm going to go out in my garden now and I'm going to start DIYing this up in time lapse and showing you some great space saving ideas for your garden. So let's go out in the garden and get on with building this, and I can give you some reviews afterwards to let you know if it was easy, how I found it, the quality and everything else, and also put a link down below where you can purchase it if you are looking for space saving ideas for your garden. So let's get on with that now. Okay, so before we begin, I just want to show you that this is the item that I bought, and it's saying it's a sit-on Rattan style storage box, and it is an 88 gallon, it's a 335 litre, and it measures 58 centimetres by 58 centimetres by 116 centimetres, and it looks like this, but it's in black. I don't think there actually is a picture of the item. There we go. So this is what it looks like. So it's going to be looking like this, and you can actually, it is actually got a lockable lid on here, and obviously it's got some wheels for ease as well. So, and two adults can sit on it, and it's obviously weatherproof. So, and it's saying easily assembled and no tools needed. So this is what our challenge is today. So, and then I can review it later for you. So let's get on with doing this up.